I just walked out of the damn bathroom because I was gonna comb my hair. See, right then it's a morning. Where's my computer? Bro. Oh no, I didn't mean to open up Guitar Hero. Oh shoot. Oh, F4. Never mind. Control. Oh, there you go. There you go. There it is. Right there's a warning. It's right Fountain Hills is right there. Those are some powerful storms, not gonna lie. A continuous regular in Pinal County. Man, we're not gonna get any tornado warnings either way. There was some wind gusts in Tonto Basin. Where's my mouse? Where's the 3D map? I know I could do the 3D map. Oh, damn. I guess I need to restart the app somehow. Where is it? There it is. There you go. Beautiful. Now we got all this that I need. So now I could just... Oh, not do that. Okay, look if I could do the 3D. I'm gonna be honest. But, yeah. I just hope it rains really good out here so I can drift in the Scion.